As we head into 2026, let's check out what Aduro Clean Technologies is up to as it conducts its global site selection process for its demonstration plant program, focusing on locations in Canada, Europe, and Mexico, leading to the signing of a non-binding letter of intent to purchase land, buildings, and equipment for a proposed demonstration plant site in the Netherlands, valued at €2 million. The site, a brownfield industrial facility, will undergo a due diligence process with a final decision expected by January 2026 and a targeted closing by February 28, 2026. The location is ideal for Aduro's hydrochemolytic technology due to its established infrastructure, including power, water, and wastewater connections, which will reduce project risks and capital costs. The site also offers potential for future expansion, with capacity scaling up to 25,000 tons per year. The Netherlands' strong waste management systems, chemical sector, and proximity to liquid steam crackers make it a strategic fit for the demonstration plant. That being said, Aduro's site selection process is still technically ongoing, with a final location decision for the demonstration plant set for January 2026, paving the way for the plant to be operational by early 2027. Though right now, the Netherlands does appear to be a top pick for offering a supportive environment for integrating the hydrochemolytic process into existing industrial infrastructure. In the end, no matter which location Aduro picks, its criteria for site selection prioritizes access to reliable feedstock, logistics, regulatory approval processes, and regional incentives, as well as the ability to accommodate future expansion, with the potential to scale operations from 8,000 to 20,000 tons per year, ultimately advancing its hydrochemolytic (HCT) water-based technologies for recycling waste plastics, converting heavy crude into lighter oil, and turning renewable oils into higher-value fuels. In this technical regard, Aduro did advance by conducting industrial-scale engineering trials with Krauss-Maffei extrusion, GmbH, and Chill BV. These trials aim to evaluate extrusion systems for processing contaminated waste plastics into Aduro's hydrochemolytic technology. By testing under real-world conditions, the trials will help refine equipment design, pre-treatment strategies, and integration plans for the demonstration plant. Krauss-Maffei, a leader in plastics and rubber machinery, is assisting Aduro in understanding how contaminated feedstocks, such as post-consumer plastic waste, behave during extrusion. The trials aim to simplify feed preparation and reduce the need for expensive pre-treatment. Data from these trials will help finalize specifications for long lead equipment procurement for the demonstration plant. Additionally, collaborating with Chill, a research institute at the Brightlands Chemelot campus, will help with studying process variables and identifying optimal conditions for reactor feed quality and contamination reduction, producing data that will aid in efforts to improve the design of pretreatment systems and equipment. This will build on Aduro's earlier successful pilot-scale steam cracking trials using its HCT. The trials were conducted at a European pilot facility in October 2025, where Aduro's hydrocarbon liquid, derived from mixed waste plastics like polyethylene, polypropylene, and PET, was tested without any pre-treatment or dilution. The oil met the stringent specifications required for steam cracker feedstock, showing high compatibility with existing petrochemical processes. Unlike traditional chemical recycling oils, which often require costly pre-treatment to meet feedstock standards, Aduro's hydrochemolytic oil has a lower impurity content and a more suitable boiling range, enabling its direct use in steam crackers. The trials produced ethylene and propylene yields comparable to those from fossil feedstocks, with no additional hydrotreatment needed. This breakthrough reduces process complexity, capital investment, and operational costs for downstream operators, making it a more efficient and environmentally friendly solution for the circular plastics value chain. Aduro plans to collaborate with global partners to further assess the scalability and integration of its hydrochemolytic technology into existing petrochemical systems. In regards to interest for recycling plastic packaging, EcoCE, a Mexican nonprofit, focused on recycling has shown interest, leading to a multi-year collaboration to evaluate HCT for recycling flexible plastic packaging in Mexico. This collaboration targets a growing challenge in the country, where approximately 1.5 million tons of flexible plastic packaging is generated annually. These materials, often multi-layered and containing various polymers, are difficult to recycle using conventional methods and frequently end up in landfills or incineration. EcoCE will provide post-consumer flexible plastic waste collected through its national recycling programs, while Aduro will conduct testing of HCT at its development facilities. HCT was chosen for its ability to convert these mixed plastics into valuable liquid hydrocarbons, suitable for use as petrochemical feedstocks. And since Aduro's recent trials demonstrated that HCT-derived oils can be processed directly in steam crackers without the need for expensive post-treatment, it shows great promise as an efficient route for producing new plastics from recycled materials. The project will begin in January 2026 and is expected to guide future recycling efforts and business models, including potential HCT facilities in Mexico. Aduro's participation in industry conferences will help promote the project and engage stakeholders, while EcoCE's leadership plans to visit Aduro's facilities in early 2026. Other bouts of confidence driving Aduro ahead relate to it successfully graduating from Shell's Game Changer program. The program, part of Shell's Chemical Decarbonization Initiative, aimed to identify emerging technologies that can reduce carbon intensity in the chemical sector. Aduro was selected for its innovative approach to converting mixed waste plastics into high-quality hydrocarbons, offering a potential route for decarbonizing chemical manufacturing. Throughout the collaboration, Aduro conducted extensive technical evaluations of HCT, testing its ability to produce steam-crackable hydrocarbons with high selectivity, suppress olefin formation, and handle common contaminants like PET and PVC. The results showed that HCT could produce over 80% liquid hydrocarbons with minimal gas and char formation, indicating strong feedstock flexibility and process efficiency. These findings validated Aduro's process design, providing confidence in its ability to scale from its pilot plant to a demonstration plant, with an initial capacity of 8,000 tons per year. Graduating from the Shell Game Changer program strengthens Aduro's engineering and commercial readiness for future scale-up. Aduro is now focused on optimizing its technology for continuous operation, with ongoing work to prepare for its demonstration scale facility. Aduro plans to stay in contact with Shell to provide updates on its pilot plant operations and the progress toward larger-scale facilities. So as 2026 gets underway, it will keep progressing from pilot to demonstration scale and eventually commercial scale operations, making this year the year of scaling up and up and up. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.